Welcome to our channel. If you want to use Hulu Watch Party to watch shows and movies with friends remotely, follow these step-by-step instructions to set up synchronized viewing. Step 1. Ensure all participants have an active Hulu subscription. Watch Party is available to Hulu subscribers, but not with Hulu Plus Live TV. Step 2. Open Hulu on your web browser by going to hulu.com. Watch Party is only available on desktop browsers, not mobile devices or smart TVs. Step 3. Log in to your Hulu account and browse for a movie or TV show that supports Watch Party. Look for the Watch Party icon. Step 4. Click on the Watch Party icon, which looks like 3 people, on the Content Details page to start creating a party session. Step 5. Hulu will generate a unique Watch Party link. Copy this link to share with friends via text message, email, or social media. Step 6. Send the link to your friends. They will need to click the link and log into their own Hulu accounts to join the Watch Party. Step 7. Once all participants have joined using the link, click Start the Party to begin synchronized playback. Everyone will watch at the same time. Step 8. Use the chat feature on the right side of the screen to communicate with your Watch Party group. You can react with emojis and send messages during playback. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.